Hello, I am Nolana Lynch and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the first sneak peeks of the upcoming Archer and Olive sub box. This will be launched on the 5th of March at 9 a.m. CST, and so this is like the very first preview of me opening it. I will share with you again before they release the entire sub box, but in today's video I'll be sharing you 3 very exciting items from the kit, and I know that you're gonna love it because some of them are things that have never been produced before by Archer and Olive. So let's get into today's video, and I can't wait to share it all with you. And this says life is a mix of curtain calls and quiet rehearsals, all part of the same beautiful show. Not every day calls for a spotlight, yet each of us carries a quiet brilliance waiting to shine. So take a deep breath, let your creativity take the stage, and make this moment spectacular. And it's in gold foiling and navy blue box. Let's open it up. So in today's video, I'm allowed to show you something called a showcase, as well as the acrylographs, as well as an A6. So let me grab those for you to see. So we have, I believe this is the, what is it? Curtain call. This is definitely the acrylographs. Let's see if I can find what is called, it says the A6. Alright guys, I am truly excited about these 3 items that I am allowed to show you today. They are pretty much brand new items. So this one is the acrylographs, but they are metallic acrylographs. So these are really exciting. So which one should I open first? I think I'm gonna start with this A6. This one is a very gorgeous, stunning opening of a notebook, which I haven't seen before, produced by Archer and Olive. And look at this, guys. It is a gold A6 notepad with a ton of different colors. Blue, gray, pink, green. This is stunning. So you could see it's a nice metallic base. What do you call it? A base, a metallic kind of leatherette base. You have your perforated paper here, dot grid. So easy to take off once you're through writing your notes, and you can definitely use some metallic pens for these. So this will be a fun one to work with. Very pretty. And then we have the metallic pens, and so I can actually just test some of these out on these color papers for you so that you can see what they look like. I usually need a bit of help opening these boxes. Okay. And I'm also gonna do this one time because I sometimes mix it up. So let's start this way and just pop these on quickly. So red carpet. Glimmer. Ballet pink. smoke blue. Where are you? Okay. Oh. And midnight marquee. I usually find doing them first is the best because sometimes, like, for example, if some colors are close, I find it a bit difficult to work through. So this is spectacular. And these are shimmery metallic pens. So let's start with the first one. Looking to see if I have some white. Oh, I have this one from when I swatched the spring collection. So let's do that. So you can see what it looks like on red, and then we could test it out on some of the colored paper as well. So this one is red carpet. And I'm sensing a kind of British, a circus style. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a much deeper red than I thought it would be. So red carpet. Pretty, 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 pretty. And then we have a dilemma. And then let me just bring this a bit closer for you. All right, yeah, much better. So now we have ballet pink. This is like a blushy pink, so very pretty. And then we have, I think it's smoke blue. They're all very true to name, I think. And this one is Midnight Marquee. Oh, whoopsie. Now this that I'm writing on is a cotton paper. So it's not a smooth paper. It has some texture. So let's see if a non-texture. So there is some friction there for me. Maybe it's a me thing, but the paper is quite textured, so I think that's what caused it. Let's try it on this smoother paper. So we try it here in the notepad. Very smooth gliding this time around. And I always love seeing how colored inks look on colored paper because it tones very differently. Like, look at this smoked blue. I think I'd probably use this smoked blue on this green. It's really pretty. And I'm sure the midnight will be as well. Yeah, lovely. Great. So if you have any questions about these products, please feel free to let me know, and also comment below with your favorite item. So let's see. This is the grand reveal. I think this is the item I'm most excited for in this kit. So let me show you. Let me show you. It's stunning. It is called curtain coil. It is a smooth, not even sure what this material is. Let me see if it's on the back of the box. No. But it is like a very smooth, is it cloth? Like a shimmery cloth. Let's see. And it is, there are gold flecks through it. It feels a bit like satin, I would say. Yeah, like a stretched satin. And so we have this closure, we have the gold foiling, we have some debossing happening as well, and then we have this beautiful fixture. So it opens in the middle, and I always love when designs take a very smooth. So leather on the inside. So maybe this is a stretched, I'm not sure what material it is, but it feels really smooth. And then we have this on the inside. And so no name page, but definitely a dot grid 192 GSM paper. And our bookmarks. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So let me know what you think. Tell me which item is your favorite that has been revealed today. The metallic acrylographs, or the curtain call notebook, or the gold notepad. I would love to know what you think. So please, if you haven't already liked and subscribed to my channel, please do, and look out for the next video where I do the full reveal on the 4th of March. So I'll see you then. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.